Hello everyone, welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're actually taking a look into Ripple. Our last video was around the 4th of December. So I think we're in a very good situation to take a look into this pair one final time. So as you know, my bias currently is towards the upside. I'm quite bullish on this, and again, my targets are $2, and then if we get to $2 quite quickly, I'll be looking to anticipate $3 as well. So what I'm trying to show you in this video is ultimately what's been happening over the last few hours or the past day or so. So we've actually had that strong push to the upside. Now, I don't actually think that this is the actual move that is going to fling to the upside to reach that $2 point. And I'm going to give you a few reasons why until you know why I'm saying so. So there is an actual point in what we spoke about last time was this correction in the chart. So if we redraw this again and take it out, but this time we'll have to extend it to the downside here. And the reason for this is usually we can get some sort of fake out to the upside here on the first push to the upside, and that is a good indicator that that price is performing the way it should do. So this is I think this would be a trap for most retail traders, because technically we haven't actually broken structure to the upside to actually confirm that we are bullish on the entire perspective of this chart. So this is obviously on a technical level, but the reason for that is until we break this critical higher low, which is at 0.65, that is for me a good indication that we are bullish, and this is where structure should change. So until then, as you can see, price is very close towards it, but it's vaguely losing momentum as we speak. So this is why, if I pull up this RSI indicator with the momentum, we can see that there is almost divergence coming into play here. It's only just, again, a matter of time before we see a divergence forming, but this is an overbought condition, and typically we can find that price will most likely pull to the downside. So now what does this mean in terms of what I've got else drawn here? So this 0.11360 is the prior low. So as long as we stay above this line, I am still bullish. Now this zone here is the current low here. So what I'm thinking is for price to correct, now it could come down into this zone, or it could come anywhere in between, but ideally there does need to be a smaller correction. So if you think of it, a smaller time frame, it would be again something like this, where we would draw a downwards channel and watch price do a similar thing. So ultimately you just want to see price do a corrective phase. So I'm thinking that price could come back down into the channel to creep back in potentially into this zone, and then have some sort of reaction to this level, and then have that big impulse move to the upside. And to be honest, I wouldn't be surprised if price breaks this low and then moves up. So if it does something like this and then pushes and pumps up, so it could look something like that. Again, this is just something to give you a perspective on. Got a few questions about this pair in particular. So yeah, I think this would be, this has potentially trapped a lot of people, but again, I do feel like the long-term move is shortly coming. Again, this is just potentially a fake out. So of course, do your own research and obviously follow your own risk management style. But for now, if you don't really want to miss out, yeah, just it's up to you what you want to do. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for Ripple. Let me just check the overall bias, but yeah, we can see here on the daily time frame that it is quite strong. Momentum is obviously in the oversold condition, so we could see. That's why I'm thinking price could have one more correction before price makes that prior move to the upside. So yeah, that would be all from us from this channel. If you are interested in joining our trading group, that link is in the description. If you have any other questions, I'm more than happy to help. Feel free to reach out to us on our Instagram or our Telegram. And that will be all. So thank you very much for listening, guys, and we'll see you all in our next video.